This box goes on the shelf. Camping is on Saturday.
Wow! Cheese crisps. The big bag. Mom, can I open it now? Just a little bit?
No, Jack. This bag is for Saturday.
Saturday is so far away. 2 more days. That is too long. I am not sleepy. My tummy wants those crisps. Everyone is asleep now. Nobody will hear me. I need my flashlight. It is very dark down there.
Quiet feet. 1 step. 2 steps. Slowly, the kitchen is empty. Good. Nobody is here. Keep going.
This door is so loud. Please be quiet, door.
There you are, on the very top shelf. This chair will help me. Up I go. Oh no! The chair is moving! Hold on!
I got it.
And cold milk too! Perfect! So crunchy. This is the best night ever. Nobody knows.
What was that noise? It came from downstairs. Somebody is awake. The hallway is so dark. Is somebody there? Hello? Step by step. I will just look quickly. Hello? Is anybody in the kitchen? That light is right in my eyes. Who is that? Please stop. I cannot see. Shh. Lily, it is only me. Do not shout. Jack, Mom said Saturday. That bag is for camping. Put it back. Here, have some. But do not tell Mom. No, your tummy will hurt tomorrow. I am going to bed.
She worries too much. Just one more handful.
My own little tent. Nobody can see me now.
Almost finished. Just a few more crisps.
Under the pillow. Mom will never find it. My tummy feels very full. Maybe a little too full.
Ow! Something is wrong. It really hurts.
It hurts here. It hurts so much.
Please stop. Please stop hurting me. I feel warm. I feel so very warm.
I cannot sit up. My arms are weak. Mom, please come. Please help me. Hide the bag. Nobody must see it.
Somebody help me! Please! It hurts!
That is Jack. Something is wrong with him. Mom! Dad! Wake up! Jack is very sick! Come quickly!
Jack? Jack, look at me. Where does it hurt? Oh, Jack. The crisps. You ate the whole bag.
Alex, look at this! He ate it all tonight!
Come here, son. I have you. Hold on to me.
I told him, Mom! I told him 2 times! I am here, Jack. I am sitting right beside you. It hurts, Lily. It hurts so much.
10 more minutes, Jack. Stay with me, buddy. Almost there.
A little faster. The hospital is very close now.
We are here. Please help us. My son is very sick.
This way, Alex. The doors are opening now.
He is 8 years old. His stomach hurts badly.
I will look after him now. Please wait right here.
There. Right there. Please stop pressing.
What did he eat tonight? Tell me everything.
This is what he ate, Doctor. The whole bag.
I ate all the crisps. And cold milk, too.
His stomach is full of gas. That is the pain. It will pass.
It tastes bad. But I will drink all of it.
Now look at the screen. Watch your tummy work.
The pain is going away.
Thank you, Doctor. I can walk now, Dad. I feel much better.
Go home and rest. Light food at night, Jack. Home at last. What a long night that was.
Everybody inside. You all need some sleep now.
Lily, wait. I need to say something to you. I am sorry. You told me, and I did not listen. It is okay. I am glad you feel better.
I am writing our new rule on this board.
No snacks after 8. I can read it, Mom. I understand now. I will close it myself. Every single night.
Sit down, everyone. Breakfast is ready now.
Before we eat, let us say our 3 new rules.
Yogurt for you today, Jack. Light and gentle. Rule 1. Always ask Mom before you open a snack.
Rule 2. Too much food at night makes your tummy hurt. Eat a little. Eat slowly.
Rule 3. If your tummy hurts, tell Mom or Dad. Do not hide it. Do not wait.
A midnight snack is never worth a sore tummy. Now you know. Ask Mom next time.